nagbabalik ang Project SOAR, series of online academic review of Mathematics CLAID Learning Module. Nakapag-like, share at subscribe na ba kayo mga batang mandunong? Kung hindi pa, huwag kalimutang gawin through our official YouTube channel, MTM channel. Gayon din sa ating official Facebook page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong. Ang ating mga kasama ngayon sa ikalimang baitang ay nagtapos ang Bachelor of Elementary Education sa University of Antique. Teacher 1 at kasalukuyang nasa unang taon ng serbisyo sa SDO Mandaluyong. Guro mula sa ikalimang baitang. Mga batang mandunong at home learning partners. Narito si Ginoong Jomar M. Recto.
Drop it.
A pleasant day to our teachers, parents, and students. Welcome to Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of Mathematics CLAID Learning Module. I am Jomar M. Recto, or you can call me Teacher Joms. I will guide you in our grade 5 math lesson this week. Are you ready? Let's start!
For week 2, our session is all about finding the percentage in a given problem and solving routine and non-routine problems involving percentage using appropriate strategies and tools. After completing this session, you will learn how to find the percentage in a given problem and to solve routine and non-routine problems involving percentage using appropriate strategies and tools. To achieve our objectives, the following key concepts are needed. Base represents the whole or the total number which you take the percent. It is the original value that is multiplied to the rate in getting the percentage. Rate is the number being compared to 100 and written or followed by a percent sign. It is the measure of a part of a whole or set relative to the units that the whole or set has been divided into. Percentage represents part of a whole or set that has been divided into 100. It is the resulting fractional part of the base. Now, let's have a review. Identify the rate, base, and percentage in each of the given problems. Problem number 1. There were 15 grandparents who attended the PTA meeting last month. This is 20% out of 75 people who attended the meeting. What is your answer? Very good. Percentage is 15. Base is 75. And rate is 20%. Next problem. Erlinda got 90% correct answer from a 50-item test. She got 45 correct answers. What is your answer? Okay, very good. Percentage is 45. Base is 50. And rate is 90%. Let us start our session with this problem. In a class of 45 pupils, 20% are absent. How many pupils are absent? To answer this problem, first, we are going to restate the problem as what is 20% of 45? Second, identify the rate, the base, and the percentage. Use n for the unknown number. So in our problem, rate is 20%, base is 45, and percentage is the unknown number. To find the percentage, just multiply the base and the rate. There are different ways in solving the problem. First, change the percent rate in fraction form with 100 as denominator. Okay, 20 over 100 or 20 hundredths. Cancel 0 both in numerator and denominator. So that would be now 2 over 10 or 2 tenths. Since ang 45 is whole number, ang kanyang denominator is 1. Now, multiply 2 times 45 is 90 and 10 times 1 is 10. Now divide 90 divided by 10 equals 9. Second, change the percent rate in simplest form. Take note that 20% in simplest form is 1/5. So, paano natin nakuha ang 1/5? Okay, change 20% in fraction form. So, 20% in fraction form is 20 over 100 or 20 hundredths. Now, find the DCF of 20 and 100. So, the DCF of 20 and 100 is 20. Now, divide 20 both in numerator and denominator. Now, divide 20 divided by 20 is 1 and 100 divided by 20 is 5. So, ang ibig sabihin, ang 1/5 ay simplified form ng 20 over 100. Now, following our formula, rate times base equals percentage. Now, let us substitute the value of rate and base in our formula. 1/5 times 45 equals, okay, 45 over 5. Now, divide 45 by 5. The answer is 9. Third is we are going to change the percent rate in decimal form. So how do we change percent in decimal form? Very good. We moved decimal point 2 places going to the left. So 20% in decimal form is 0.20 or 20 hundredths. So following our formula, base times rate equals 45 times 0.20 or 20 hundredths equals 9. So therefore, 9 pupils are absent. Now let us proceed in solving routine and non-routine problems involving percentage using appropriate strategies and tools. Our first problem is an example of routine problem. In an 80-item math test, Carla got 90% of correct answers. How many items did she answer correctly? To answer this problem, we are going to use the 4-step plan in analyzing and solving word problem. First, we are going to understand the problem. We should know what is asked. In this problem, it is asking for the number of items she answered correctly. Second, we should know what are the given facts. In this problem, the given facts are 80-item test and 90% of correct answer, wherein base is 80 item and rate is 90%. Now percentage is missing. After we understand the problem, next is we are going to formulate a plan. Determine the operation to be used. In this problem, we are going to use multiplication. Then, write the number sentence. 80 times 0.90 or 90 hundredths equals n. Take note that 90% in decimal form is 0.90 or 90 hundredths. Since we have already a plan, let's solve the problem. What is the formula in finding the percentage? Okay, very good. The formula in finding the percentage is base times rate. Now, let us substitute the value of base and rate in our formula. 80 times 0.90 or 90 hundredths equals 72. Okay, 0.90 times 80, 0 times 0 equals 0, 0 times 9 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 9 is 72. Then, we are going to count the number of digits after the decimal in our factor. So how many decimal numbers do we have? Okay, very good. We have 2 decimal numbers. So from right going to the left, move the decimal point 2 decimal places. So our answer is 72. The last step is we are going to check and look back if our answer is correct or not. See if your answer makes sense and state the complete answer. This time, we are going to use the other formula. We are going to find the value of base. So percentage is 72, rate is 90% or 90 hundredths. Hence, using our formula, percentage divided by rate. Now, let us substitute the value of a percentage and rate in our formula. 72 divided by 90 hundredths equals 80. So here, our divisor has a decimal point. So, we are going to make this one as a whole number by just moving decimal point 2 places going to the right. The same with our dividend. Move 2 decimal places going to the right and put 2 0. So our number now is 7,200 divided by 90. So 772 divided by 90 cannot be. Moved to next digit. So 720 divided by 90 equals 8. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 9 is 72. Now subtract 720 minus 720 is 0. Bring down 0. So 0 divided by 90 equals 0. So 0 times 90 is 0 equals 0. Therefore, Carla got 72 correct answer in an 80 item test. Our next problem is an example of non-routine problem. In an organization with 10 members, each is required to save 5% from their daily allowance of 50 pesos. How long would it take them to save 150 pesos? Okay, what is asked in the problem? It is asking for length of days would take them to save 150 pesos. What are the given facts? The given facts are 10 members, 5%, 50 pesos, and 150 pesos. Is there a hidden question before you will get the final answer? Okay, yes. What is the percentage of their savings each day? Can you name the operation or operations to be used to solve the problem? Okay, yes, the operation to be used are multiplication and division. Hence, using the formula percentage equals base times rate. So 5% of 50, change 5% to decimal form. 5% is 5 hundredths. Now, multiply by 50 equals 2 pesos and 50 cents, savings of each member per day. Now 2.50 times 10 equals 25 pesos savings of 10 members per day. Now 150 divided by 25 equals 6. So 6 days for them to save 150 pesos. Therefore, the organization needs 6 days in order to save 150 pesos. Now let us try to answer this activity. Find the percentage in the given problem. Then encircle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is a 3% of 200? A. 6, B. 60, C. 600, or D. 6,000? What is your answer? Okay, very good. The correct answer is letter A, 6. Number 2. A 50-item test was given to a group of 40 grade 5 pupils. 85% of them have a score of 30 and above. How many pupils get a score of 30 and above? A. 37 pupils, B. 36 pupils, C. 35 pupils, or D. 34 pupils? What is your answer? Okay, very good. The answer is letter D, 34 pupils. Number 3. Our school raised 64,000 pesos for the COVID-19 frontliners. The grade 5 classes donated 12% of the total amount. How much was grade 5 donation? A. 7,690 pesos, B. 7,680 pesos, C. 7,690 pesos, or D. 7,660 pesos? What is your answer? Okay, very good. The correct answer is letter B, 7,680 pesos. Number 4. What is 80% of 60? A. 48, B. 58, C. 68, or D. 78? What is your answer? Okay, very good. The correct answer is letter A, 48. Number 5. There are 64 apples in the basket. 25% of them are green and the rest are red. How many apples are green? A. 14 apples, B. 15 apples, C. 16 apples, or D. 17 apples? What is your answer? Okay, very good. The correct answer is letter C, 16 apples. How do we find the percent of a given number? To find the percentage of a given number, first, express percent as decimals. Next, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And last, multiply the base and the rate. How do we solve routine and non-routine problems involving percentage using appropriate strategies and tools? In solving and analyzing word problems, always remember the following steps. First, we are going to understand the problem, know what is asked, and know the given facts. After we understand the problem, next is we're going to formulate a plan. determine the operation to be used, and write the number sentence. Then, we are going to solve, perform the strategy, and carry out the plan. And the last step is, we are going to check and look back, see if your answer makes sense, and state the complete answer.
Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something from our lesson today. If you still have questions about our lesson, feel free to send a message on our Facebook page, Math Team Mathematics Teachers of Mandaluyong, or you can also send a message to your math teacher. Again, I am Teacher Jones saying Math-sayang Math-aral, tayo ng Math-tuto.